Hi there, I'm Carolyn, trichologist at Absolique Hair Health Clinic. If you followed me or know me, you know that we use scalp cleansers. They're a big part of preparing the scalp for natural hair loss treatments. I'm helping people hair loss, hair thinning, and scalp conditions. So one of our favorite scalp cleansers, sadly, is going to be coming to an end very soon. So we did write an article for you about some of the new options. So this one here is our Rosemary and Mint, and it is the closest thing to our favorite scalp cleanser. You will be amazed at how similar this product is. It is so good. But if we've got someone who's got fine hair and they want more volume, or they're doing, you know, different type of hair loss treatment, or you might have a scaly scalp or some scalp concerns, we do have other scalp cleansers to choose from now. So we like to be a little bit prescriptive about your scalp cleanser to choose the right one for not only your scalp condition, but what type of hair treatment we're doing as well. Now the rule is 10 centimeters. If your hair is longer than 10 centimeters, you still need to use a hair shampoo and conditioner as well. So we can guide you through which is the right scalp cleanser and which hair shampoo and conditioner you could be using. If your hair is shorter than 10 centimeters, sometimes we may not use a shampoo, but we may use a scalp and hair conditioner. So there's so many choices out there, and we help to select directly for you based on your concerns. So to email me and ask about your hair and scalp concerns, it's info@absolique.com.au.